Hello guys, welcome to a few days of my life. This was my outfit of the day. I got this shirt from Five Below. These pants I literally just got at Burlington yesterday, and then this purse. And I'm wearing my flip-flops because it is spring. It was my sister's birthday, so we got Church's chicken, and then this was her chocolate birthday cake, which is basically gone already. Okay, ice cream cone definitely melting. He's talking to my vlog. Don't play with me like that. I got these fries from Burger King. And then I got a free 6-piece nugget at McDonald's. Here's me having a little mukbang moment in the car. This was my first time having McDonald's nuggets since probably 8 years. I don't remember the last time I had nuggets from McDonald's. They were really good. Very bad effects though. They were great. Okay, a few days ago, we actually put the record player in my room permanently. But yeah, I've been using the record player a lot recently ever since it's been moved to my room. And usually I put this on and I play, this is John Denver's Back Home Again. And I play the same exact song on repeat. And no, it's not Thank God I'm a Country Boy, because in my haul, I told you guys that I got it just for that. But recently I've been loving The Music Is You. I wish I could show you guys the song, but I literally can't because I'll get copyrighted. Here is the next day. I was making some peanut butter toast for breakfast. Trying this for the first time. It just tastes like banana. I don't like peanut butter, but I did it for this recipe, and it's actually pretty good. Can't really taste the bread, but yeah. I'm wearing a shirt from Wow Fable, a cover-up that was thrifted, and these pants from Burlington. I live in these pants now. So I got some oats and honey granola. I got it so I can make like a yogurt bowl. I also got some more leave-in conditioner. Few spoons of yogurt. I'm making a lot. Be my first time trying this granola. Oh, I'm scared. I hope I made the right choice because they had other granola. Okay, it tastes like granola as expected. I'm gonna get this again in the future. It's good. Also, my outfit today, so funny. At the gas station, this guy told me that I look like I belong on like an island. It's Friday, so we're having tacos for dinner. I'm gonna rant for a little bit. It's Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. It was so sad because there was no new episode of Young Sheldon because Young Sheldon is officially over. So what am I supposed to do with my Thursdays now? Like seriously, what am I supposed to do? Okay, right over. I'm just gonna miss Young Sheldon. Ah! Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below anything you want, and subscribe. Bye.